Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 24th through February 1st. 5th, I'm sorry. Um, okay, first we're going to talk about this winter storm that's affecting the area, and I'm going to show you a current satellite picture. Today. Okay, let's see if it loads. Okay, there we go. It's showing a band of mostly heavy snow covering much of New Jersey. Little lighter snows to the west. And this whole area here that it's in red, they're under winter storm warning. Here are winter weather advisories. And we're looking at a good maybe 6 to 12 inches, the New York City area, and heavier amounts down here along the Jersey Shore in eastern Long Island. We're going to take a look now at the models for this storm. First, we're looking at is the GFS, and this is the model for. You see the storm center getting wrapped up to 7 o'clock tonight, 7 a.m. tomorrow, and here's the center right here, a 992. I don't know if you can see it, but it's probably cut off the map. It's a 992. We go to 7 a.m. in the morning, and see it's a 984. It really deepens, and the snow is pretty much over then. Maybe still snowing over across Long Island and the New Jersey Shore. That's why they're going to get the heavier amounts. Now, down here across the New Jersey Shore might be closer to 14 inches. And then we look at the other model, this GFS ensembles. And you can see it's pretty much over by 7 o'clock in the morning. There's one model here, let's see, 7 a.m. It's still snowing. This is the nav gym. This is the nav gym right here. That was the Canadian. This is a nav gym, and then we go out to 1 a.m. still snowing, and then we go out to 7 a.m. is just ending early in the morning. Now here's a map showing the snowfall amounts. I think this is a little off. This is showing 1 to 3 inches, so that's kind of useless. So now we're going to go to the long-range weather forecast discussion. And the patterns forecast remain highly amplified across North America for January 24th to 28th, featuring a full latitude ridge over the west and a broad, deep trough in the east. The problem during this period is a series of disturbances moving over the western ridge into the east central states. These systems are expected to bring cold air and wintry precipitation to much of the east central U.S. Now, that's just what's happening now, because with this deep trough, we have a series of disturbances coming down from Alaska, going over the western ridge and down the east central U.S. And anytime you have this kind of a situation, any one of these systems could explode and intensify, and that's just what we're having now with one of these systems here in the east. So we had to bear watching that, and that's going to be the problem. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 27th to 28th. And we're going to go to 27th. And you can see that we have... you can see we have a deep trough here. The maps are jumping around a little bit. Okay, see we have a deep ridge here across the western U.S. We have our broad trough here. And this is forecast continue. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal precipitation temperatures for this region for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation across much of this region. Now, there's a little differences in the next pattern coming up. This is for February 1st to the 5th, and we're going to go to February 1st. It's out of the map. And you can see this is GFS has, why is this keep moving? You can see GFS has pretty much below the near normal heights across much of the nation. Now, this is pretty much the same except for, we're going to see here, we go further into the period. This is the European ensembles. Let me see, I want to show something. Is this. The model is showing a reversal of the pattern with above normal heights here in the east and below normal lowering heights in the northwest and parts of the west. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think the pattern is going to be more like this. Continuing the ridge and the trough. The models are acting up. I think it's going to remain something like this, a ridge and a trough. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states and below normal temperatures for areas east of the Mississippi River. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. So this has been the long range weather forecast discussion for February 24th to February 5th. Just want to remind you, these videos can be seen on my website, JimMunleyWX.com. The current one will be on the homepage, and other ones done during this week will be in the video section of the website. So that's it for now, and have a good day.